Antivirus software is supposed to protect your PC, but sometimes even popular programs can raise concerns. Today, I'm sharing why I stopped using Avast Antivirus and whether you should consider doing the same. This is based on both personal experience and recent reports that have come to light. Avast has long been one of the most widely used antivirus programs, offering free and paid versions. It promises to protect against malware, phishing, and other threats while keeping your system safe. And for years, it worked well for me. Scans were fast, and detection rates were solid. However, the turning point came when I realized data privacy issues. Reports emerged that Avast was collecting user browsing data through its subsidiary JumpShot and selling anonymized user information to third parties. Even if the data is anonymized, it still raised privacy concerns, especially for users who expect antivirus software to safeguard their digital footprint, not monitor it. Another issue I experienced personally was system performance. Over time, Avast started consuming more system resources, slowing down boot times, and occasionally interfering with legitimate programs. While antivirus programs naturally use some resources, the impact became noticeable, especially on older computers. So, what did I do instead? I switched to Windows Defender, the built-in antivirus in Windows 10 and 11. Modern versions of Windows Defender are lightweight, free, and surprisingly effective, often scoring high in malware detection tests. It runs in the background, updates automatically, and integrates seamlessly with Windows, without the privacy concerns I had with Avast. Should you stop using Avast? It depends. If you value privacy and system performance, it may be worth reconsidering. If you continue using Avast, make sure to review privacy settings, disable data sharing options, and ensure the software is up to date. Otherwise, free alternatives like Windows Defender or other reputable antivirus programs may provide comparable protection without compromising privacy. In summary, I stopped using Avast because of privacy concerns and system performance issues, and switching to Windows Defender has given me peace of mind and a smoother experience. Antivirus is still important, but your choice should prioritize security, privacy, and efficiency. If this video helped you make an informed decision about your antivirus software, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more PC security tips and tech insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.